Hey everybody, continuing from my earlier review I have done for this Unicorn Beetle Pro. The Supcase cover for Galaxy Note 9. As you can see, I've just fitted my phone into it. It's a dual TPU polycarbonate cover. Gives a 360-degree protection to your phone. And there's a belt case. You can just put the phone inside it and then attach to your belt if you want to. Otherwise, it's a pretty good solid cover. Comes with a, as you can see there, comes with a perfect grip, shock resistant, 360-degree protection, multi-layer design, belt clip, and it's also passed the Cnet drop test, which is pretty good. If you like my review, just subscribe to my channel, Auckland Desi, and until next time, see ya.